Cap 26 here, just Gypsy Peers and Hobbies. We're back with Jeanie from the bottle. Sorry about that. We're gonna do some more parts here. Got to put some glue in the cloud here, the smoke. And see how that goes in. That goes in like that. I'm going to put some glue right in the crevice there. Right there. We got to fix that right there. So get these out. Just clip that away. I'm going to put some clay on that. Pretty good model, let me tell you. Pretty good. We got her hair. We fixed her hair. We reprinted the hair. And that goes on there like that. See, like that. And put the camera up a little bit. Like that. Eventually she goes in the bottle like this. Okay. That's a junk piece. And then we're gonna putty up the spots that need to be done here, here, and here. So that's what she looks like all done. That goes over there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And God bless you. Bye for now.